Hey guys, welcome back to Throw Exchange YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about fair value gap, which bullish fair value gap which turns into bearish fair value gap. So without wasting time, let's get started. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about those fair value gaps which doesn't get respected and it gets violated like this. Okay, so what happened with that fair value gap? So after that, what happens with that fair value gap? That fair value gap is now for us a bearish fair value gap. Like over here it was a bullish fair value gap, right? But it didn't respect it and it just went through it, and then it went back up to that fair value gap, and now that will be our entry for a sell. Okay, and I know that this sounds crazy, but this happens every time, and mostly on indices pairs this happens every time. See, like this was a gap for bearish, right? Price went up, filled the whole gap, and then went down, right? But what happened when price gave a structure shift towards the upside? It came back till this fair value gap, not till this fair value gap, okay, or this small one. It just taps into this fair value gap which was responsible for sell, but now it's responsible for a buy. So it just reacts from here, and if you see on this one, this fair value gap was clearly for bullish scenario, but what happened after that? It just went down, it didn't respected this fair value gap, and now this fair value gap has been a bearish fair value gap instead of being a foolish fair value gap over here. The same thing happens right over here also. So what's the logic behind this? Okay, so the logic is the institutions, when they know how to trade this, what's the imbalance in the market and what's the gaps, so they can see that there's a gap and this is a breaker pattern. Why this is a breaker pattern? If you can see, the price has taken the low and the high at the same time, right? So they have closed their trade right over here, but when it goes up, then they get to know about the daily bias and all of that, and they have taken the trade from the fair value gap. The institutions, right, they have taken the trade from the fair value gap, but what happened after that? Price comes down till that fair value gap, and now they are in a drawdown right over here, okay, because price is into too much, because they don't use stop losses, okay, they have lots of money to manipulate the market. So price has gone down, so now they will start putting big lots right over here, okay, to just close it to the break even. So now they have entered into the starting of this fair value gap right over here, so they want to close their trade at the same positions, at the same place. So what the price will do, it will go till that opening price or opening of that fair value gap. It will just go and tap that, and then it will start on falling towards the downside. So this same thing happens with the order blocks also. This same thing will happen with the fair value gap also. So this is what you have to do, okay? So anytime when you see that your fair value gap doesn't work, it got like this type of, it didn't work and it got disrespected like this, just stretch that fair value gap and try to take a sell from that fair value gap, but do it with a control, okay? Because if you lose the control, it can be back-to-back losses for you. So I hope you guys like this video. So if you guys like this video, drop a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comment section that on what topic I should make more videos on. So until next time, wish you good luck and good trading.